Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to compare VOO and VTI. I'm someone who loves investing into ETFs and stocks, so I'm really excited to make this video and show you the main differences. Now if you have your own opinion on VOO and VTI, write it down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to read your own opinions. Also, I created a course for better understanding of ETFs, how you can make money with ETFs, and how you can create a strategy for long-term investing and for adapting to ETFs, and you can find it also down below in the description. I'm really happy if you like that course. Now let me just start to show you straight away the main difference, and then later in the video I'm going to show you more differences. Now when you come here to the VOO and VTI, when we look here on the issuer, Vanguard, same, expense ratio, same, asset under management relatively similar, but the really important stuff about Vanguard versus VOO versus VTI is number of holdings. 508, and number of holdings for nearly 4,000 VTI. What does it mean? VOO and VTI, the main difference between these two is that VTI got also smaller and mid-size stocks, comparing to VOO got also only large cap of stocks. When we click here on the fund overlap, you can see clearly here that 99.6% of VOO 512 holdings are also in VTI. But overlap by weight, you see right here 82%, and 13% of VTI 4,000 holdings are also in VOO, because VTI got a huge breadth of diversification of those small and mid-sized cap stocks. Now, when we look here on the weight in VOO and weight in VTI, you see right here 6.4, 5.3%, 5%. Now, when we go even further, and I'm going to show you this thing here. I want to show you, yep, here it is. So total top 10 weighting, Apple, Microsoft, these are relatively similar, but those, there are like also those small ones that are making the effect of the performing of the VTI. And you see clearly here the VOO and VTI, the difference here and the performance. Now when we look also on the price of it, what is the price? Look at this. So VTI, we got 238, VOO is 424. So VTI is cheaper when you would like to buy it. But again, it's really up to you what you want to do and if you want to go that way. Now VTI holdings, when I go like this, and we see all the holdings right here. And let's say that we want to go percent of the funds, and we see the Pfizer here. And when we go even further, Oracle, Citigroup, Morgan, that there will be plenty of companies with like 0.15, 0.20% of the funds. Now, another thing that I want to show you, like huge thing, is the year-end yield and the like comparison between these two. So this is VOO and the next one is VTI. So you see clearly here that VOO year by year got better performing. Check this year-end yield here. I'm going to even zoom it out for you so you can clearly see 1.54%, 1.88 and 2.06. Here 1.42, 1.78, 2.04. Now, my strategy, or what I would do personally, is that I would I would go with the VOO, and then I would just invest directly to the, like, let's say I don't want to penny stocks, but small. I would just like find some small or mid cap stocks to which I would invest. That's what I would personally do, and I really believe that that's a really good strategy. Now, to summarize this whole video, because I don't know how to make this video longer, the first thing first, is that VOO and VTI similarities. Expense ratio, same. Average spread 0.02 to 0.01. Median tracking difference, same. Number of holdings is different. Issuer, same. Expense ratio, same. Asset under management, similar. Average daily volume is higher at VOO comparing to the last trade. Underlying index, also different. But the two differences, number of holdings that you have in VTI comparing to the VOO, and also the performance of these two. And then we can have the average, the year-end yield. So you can see clearly here. So that is what I would do. I would invest to VOO, and then I would just find some stocks that I personally like, and I would invest into those. That's how I do it. Like I invest 70-80% of my money to ETFs, to ARK, also to like VWCU, and then I'm investing into the like stocks that I like. So I can even show you, but let me just open it like this. And I'm going to show you straight away. So let me just give you an idea. But I need to have an image right here. And like this to hide my... So give me a second. I will just do it like this because I need to hide my personal information and I want to show you my performance, how I do it. So this would be my account that I'm showing you right now, my investing account. So when I click here, this is trading 212. And you can see clearly, look at the performance here, that I invest to individual stocks right here, and Asana is performing really well. Then I got Cloudflare. I invested to Corsair Gaming because, oh my god, like I saw it on Reddit that they got really good products, etc. And I'm like, god damn, man. They again tricked me. Like again, I found on Reddit some good advice to something that I should invest, and I end up, but still it's performing really well. I got another 20k on different account, another 5k on Revolut, and that's probably from me. So if you can have any questions, guys, about ETF stocks, write it down below in comments. I created courses about stocks ETFs that you can learn how we can work with it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, see ya. Goodbye.